Deleting a CMS collection in Webflow is a straightforward process, but it's important to understand that once deleted, the data within the collection will be permanently removed. Here's how you can delete a CMS collection. Open your Webflow project, log into your Webflow account and go to the dashboard. Open the project that contains the CMS collection you want to delete. Access the CMS collections. In the designer view, go to the left panel. Click on the CMS collection tab. Select the collection. In the CMS panel, you will see a list of all your collections. Click on the collection you want to delete. Delete the collection. At the top right of the CMS panel, you will see a settings gear icon. Click on it. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings menu, where you will find the delete collection button. Click delete collection. A confirmation prompt will appear to ensure you want to permanently delete the collection and its items. Confirm deletion. Confirm that you want to delete the collection by clicking delete again. The CMS collection, along with all associated items, will be permanently deleted from your Webflow project.